cyabekiro cya kabiri omukoro gwo kwijuka mugenzi aronda nyakirima guri kugenda misho okwirizo bakutaha kushomesa abanyamahe enkora z'ebitongore byo kwerinda okubira gukora mu bintu byabyo.
Now when I came back, when I left, these Arondas were not, they had not joined us.
Abanyamahe hamwe na minisita w'ibyo kwerinda ahantu ho bashabira gavumenti okongera sente Amakorero g'ebyo kwerinda kiyambe wihanga okucendeza hanshoza ya sente ezeri kushohoza eri kugura ebyo kukozesa ebyamahe ebiri kushohorezwaho sente nyamwingi.
To protect, to defend the integrity, the sovereign integrity of a nation, the army has to be dependent. We have to gain both the dependence should be use of industrialization. You should develop your technology, and that's where we've started many years ago, and that's the reference to General Ronda's contribution at the beginning of NEC.
Uganda government should dedicate funding to institutions involved in research and development, like the Well Industries and the Uganda Industrial Research Institute.
Abantu bagira mu gavumenti eyerekerera Amakorero ag'ebitongore ebyo kwerinda ngo kandi nibyo bine buri kimwe ekiri kwetengesa gukora ebintu ebyo kukozesa ngo nahabwekyo gavumenti eyine kutandika okuteka mu bwesige mu Makorero gabyo.
Let us also continue building the defense institutions for defense equipment and weapon systems, exploring potential defense technological exchanges and possible cooperation on capacity building, method technology, and human resource development.
As some initial setbacks in our journey of building our defense industry, and it took the able hands of leaders like General Ronda to revive and grow our defense industry to what we have today. And therefore, what we need to do in his memory is to consolidate his efforts and to scale great heights in this field in order to ensure our strategic security and survival.
Kandi wari mudumuzi w'amahe agihanga General Muhoozi Kainerugaba umugamba ko hamushomogu yashobora ngo inkwatanisa y'amahe ga Afrika nicyo kirekira amahe agarukurga hero y'amahanga ga Afrika okweyongera mu ihanga ekintu kirezireho okongera byo businge muri Afrika.
Increased foreign military presence on African soil. The number of foreign military bases in Africa has increased.
Bamwe ombantu abayataba ha mukoro gwo kwijuka aronda nyakirima okwizoba rya kabiri ebintu byo bagamba ha mugenzi.
He was obviously a very patriot. He was a great leader. Yesterday president talked about it at length, and for me he was a comrade.
Gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Kampala.
UNLA